Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, The Film Lifestyle Heidi's Parsley Car. In this video, I will show you how to paint an ostrich egg using acrylic paint. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And please don't forget to press that bell button to get notified. Enjoy watching! Hi, my name is Heidi's Car, and I'm here to show you my painting. I use ostrich egg. If you can see, my theme is UAE, United Arab Emirates, because this is a circular, and as you turn the eggs, you can see different dimension to it. And I use the theme of UAE since I'm living here right now in United Arab Emirates. So what I did is the upper part of the ostrich egg, I painted it with sky, and I incorporated with a desert and some camels, some dates tree. And I also painted lots of iconic buildings of Dubai and Abu Dhabi. And at the bottom part, I painted it with water. And that's pretty much the color of the water here in UAE. It's beautiful, it's clean, it's between green and blue color. And for those of you who has an ostrich egg and doesn't know what to do with it, please PM me on my Facebook and we can talk about it. This is something that is very rare and you cannot find it anywhere. It's customized. I can paint pretty much anything you want me to paint. Even a regular painting, I did a lot of that stuff. So there you go, the finished product. It's beautiful and it's something that will keep us a remembrance from living here in UAE. And for those of you who lives here, they are very, all these buildings are just beautiful. So we have the Burj Al Arab, the Grand Mosque, some coins building, and there's that one they call the Tornado building. And there's the Burj Khalifa, the tallest building in the world. So if you're interested again, please PM me, and I hope you like this. Thank you. Here's the step-by-step process of preparing the egg before I painted it with acrylic paint. I hope you enjoy it. Here we go. Here's the ostrich egg, and this is big. Actually, we just got it, and you can see there's still a feather in it in the box. I have it delivered, and we are going to start drilling it. We're using this first with a small drill, and we are going to charge it to the large size drill. And this is the only way we can put a hole in it in order for us to remove the egg yolk and the egg white inside the egg. As you can see, I'm using a stick to remove the egg yolk and the egg white, and make sure that you remove everything inside the egg and rinse it with water so it doesn't smell when it dries. Okay, here we go. So as you can see, I'm using regular pencil to outline or to draw the desert and the iconic buildings of UAE. GoPro, stop recording. Start. Think we got this already or no?